Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And today I'm just going to show you a quick little trick on how to get rid of like a little pop on the beginning of your sample. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to sample something straight from my Akai. So as you can see here, I've got Renoise open and I'm just about to hit the button and hit record. So I'm going to go like that. Got something here called Dark Bass. Okay, so I've sampled that. So as you can see, the sample's here. So I'm going to go like that. I'm going to go make it louder. And if you look at the beginning of the sample, you can hear a pop. Now, how I've always known this is that on the waves, yeah, you've got like a plus and a minus. You've got an above bit and you've got a down bit. And as you can see here, like the wave is a little bit fractured here, yeah? So all I'm going to do now is zoom in right in, and I'm going to go to where this hits the line. And I'm just going to go from where it starts underneath the line and just simply just drag the mouse all the way there to the beginning of the sample, and you can hear the difference. Look, if I press play, hear the pop, delete, and as you can hear, it's gone. Another way around that as well, you can also just, you know, go get your DSR and just put a little bit of attack on it. By just raising your attack up, you can get rid, but don't put too much of attack on it. If you put too much attack on it, then you simply won't be able to have that instant feel. It feel like you've got latency on the sample. So that's it. Quick little tip, people. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications. Take care. God bless. Peace.